Hi there, I am here reading News to You from October 26th, 2020. The topic is the 2020 Election Day. Election Day is November 3rd in 2020. Remember, no school on Election Day this year. Voters will choose leaders in the U.S. Voters choose leaders by voting. A top leader is the U.S. president. Voters vote for a president every 4 years. Voters will vote for a president in 2020. They will vote on November 3rd. Voters usually vote in polling places. Voters may use machines to vote. They may use paper ballots to vote. Some voters vote by mail. All right, here's our joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Leader. Leader who? Leader, I will go vote. Where do penguins vote? The South Pole. All right, when we look at these pictures, the ones about the 2020 election day are voter, president, choose, and election day. Okay, 3 questions. What is this paper about? Huge Pumpkin Festival, Very Endangered Animals, or 2020 election day? This paper is about 2020 election day. Question 2, who choose leaders by voting? Voters, zombies, or elves? Voters. Question 3, where will voters choose leaders? Saturn, US, or Park? US. You can talk with somebody at home about this question. What leader would you like to be? Would you want to be president, vice president, governor, mayor, or something else?